Hey, Henry Nutt here. I want to talk about listening. After 37 years in the industry, half of that in the leadership capacity, one thing that I've learned that you got to pause to listen. You got to listen to your team. You want to know what's going on your job site? You're not there probably most of the time or in the areas where all the real issues possibly are happening, but you do have team members that you've placed there. Hopefully because you trust them. Hopefully because you know that they are accountable to you and they can do the job. Well, do you listen to them? Do you ask them questions when things are going awry? Or do you come in there blazing like you're the big boss and you have all the answers when you have zero information? Take some time to ask your team. If they're the right people, they're going to make you look better because they want to, because you've built a relationship with them that says we are one team. I can't tell you how many times I walk job sites and I ask apprentices, journey level people, foremen, and then to the GFs. But I'm always asking from the bottom up in a sense, so I can understand who's doing what, how it's going, from the real perspective. Not from what people want me to hear, but from what's really happening. Then I can take all that information and decide how I want to handle it. It's not about gotchas and trying to get somebody in trouble. It's just getting a full perspective of what's happening on the site, because the information is different from different points of view. But if you have people there that you trust, give their information, listen to them, and make decisions based on that full understanding, based on having one-sided points of view that typically get us in trouble. Try it. Might just work for you.